All right, everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to divide multi-digit numbers using an array or the box method and a partial quotient method called the Super 7 or the almost standard algorithm. So for the box method, we are going to be dividing 5,836 into 4 even groups. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to set up our box. We are dividing by 4, so I'm going to put that on the side, and I'm going to take my dividend and I'm going to put it right in the first box here. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at my dividend, 5,836. I'm going to start with this number here, and I'm going to say 4 can go into 5 one time. So we have 3 more place values. So I'm going to say 1,000 times because this is 5,000. So 4 times 1 is 4. We have our 3 zeros after. I'm going to subtract. So I have 6, 3, 8, 1. So my new partial answer here we have left over is 1,836. So I'm going to zoop that right up to the top here. 1,836. Make another box. And I'm going to say, okay, 4 doesn't go into 1, but it goes into 18 4 times, roughly. And so I'm going to say, but we have these 2 place values here. So let's add our 0. So 4 times 4 is 16. Plus our 2 zeros there. We're going to subtract. We end up with 236. Zoop that right up. 236. New box. 4 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 23 about 5 times. And we have that extra spot, so I'm going to add a 0. So we have 50 times 4, which is 200. You have that 5 times 4, which is 20, and you have your extra 0. Let's subtract. We end up with 36. Zoop it right up. Okay. 4 goes into 36 exactly 9 times. 9 times 4, 36. Let's subtract. And we have 0. So we do not have a remainder on this one. So we are going to take all of our partial quotients. We're going to line them up. And we're going to add them. So our answer is 1,459. So let's try this over here. Same problem, but I'm going to show you using the 7 over here, that almost standard algorithm using partial quotients. So we're going to look over here and we're going to see 4 goes into that 5 pot. 1 time, 3 extra place values. 4 times 1,000 gives us 4,000. Subtract. Okay, 4 doesn't go into 1, but it goes into 18 about 4 times, 2 extra place values. 4 times 4 is 16. With those 2 zeros there, subtract. Okay, 4 does not go into 2, but it goes into 23 about 5 times. We have that extra place value. 4 times 5 is 20. And that extra 0. Let's subtract. 4 goes into 36. 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract. And we have a 0 here. You want to keep going until you cannot make another group of that number or until you have 0. So I'm going to come on over and I'm going to add up my partial quotients. 1,459. And there you go. That's how you do it.